Once upon a time, in the heart of the jungle, there lived a clever and mischievous monkey named Milo. I wonder what exciting adventure awaits me today. What's this? A secret cave. I must explore. I can understand languages, solve puzzles, and even talk to other animals. This is amazing. And so, Milo's intelligence brought joy and harmony to the jungle, proving that sometimes a little cleverness goes a long way.